noma uba nomuntu onelungelo lokukhuluma whatever afuna ukuyikhuluma, and then but depending ukuthi uyikhuluma kuphi. Then ukhona uShilo athi yena uyasebenza la, usebenza inkampani nayiShilo, and then I know very well ukuthi uma usebenza inkampani nethize, uma uneyikhalazo and then fanele uqonde kuyo leyo nkampani leyo ubeka izikhalazo zakho khona, meaning that umnyango uyawazi ukuthi ufanele aye khona, and then unalungelo lokuthi aye enkampanini le emqashile and then akwazi ukuthi abeke izikhalazo zakhe.
Most of ama contractors bakhala ngokuthi abawazi abantu ukuthi bazobathola phi labo bantu, so i-avenue ezibe ngcono ile yomuntu oyena oyeqashele leyo contracts for which it is here, so ingakho kubalula ukuzala wabayazi ukuthi bazonithola eduze kwalabo besebenza khona.
Abantu babaqashile angazi ukuthi abaphi ngoba, and if maybe they are employed by any company, they will know ama offices wabo ukuthi akuphi. Thina we are only contracting ama-contractors aza nama-employees ukuthi abaqashela kuphi thina suka singenalo ulwazi.
So okushuthi indaba yabo iphelela khona la, kumele baqhubeke baye kongena ema-ofisini walaba ama-contractors wabo.
That is correct, and then abaqashi babo babazi kahle ukuthi bakuphi, and then bafanele baye khona bayokhuluma nabo.